You poured your heart into your latest video, you're excited, you hit publish, but something feels off. Your views are stagnant, your subscribers aren't engaging, you start to wonder what went wrong, you check your analytics, hoping for a clue, but nothing seems to make sense. Welcome to the frustrating world of the YouTube Shadowban. It's an invisible force that can cripple your channel without any warning. It's a silent killer lurking in the algorithm, quietly suffocating your channel's growth. You might not even realize it's happening until it's too late, but don't worry, we're going to equip you with the knowledge to fight back. Understanding the signs and knowing how to respond can make all the difference. In this digital age, visibility is everything. Without it, your content might as well not exist. For YouTubers, it's the lifeblood of your channel. Every view, every like, every comment is a step towards success. A shadowban can feel like a death knell, pushing you into the shadows and hiding you from your audience. But knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you are to handle it. By understanding what a shadowban is and how to avoid it, you can take control of your YouTube destiny. It's about being proactive and staying informed. Stay tuned. We're about to illuminate the path to staying visible on YouTube. Together we'll navigate this digital landscape and ensure your content gets the attention it deserves. Let's shine a light on this shadowy foe, often misunderstood but very impactful. A shadow ban is like a stealthy penalty YouTube applies to channels that violate its guidelines or exhibit suspicious behavior. It's a silent enforcer working behind the scenes. It's not a ban in the traditional sense. Your channel remains active, but your visibility takes a nosedive. Your subscribers might still see your content, but reaching new audiences becomes a challenge. Your videos won't appear in search results, making it hard for new viewers to discover your content. Your content won't get recommended to new viewers, which is crucial for growth on the platform. It's like your channel has been put in a digital timeout, limiting your reach and engagement. So why does YouTube resort to shadow bans? What's the rationale behind this invisible hand? It's all about protecting the platform and its users from harmful content and ensuring a safe environment. YouTube wants to promote high-quality, engaging content while cracking down on spam, manipulation, and harmful material. It's a balancing act. Think of it from their perspective. They have a massive responsibility. They have millions of hours of content uploaded every day, and not all of it is good. They need a system to filter out the bad apples and promote the good ones, ensuring quality and safety. That's where the algorithm and, unfortunately, the shadow ban come in. It's a necessary evil in the digital age. The first step to avoiding a shadow ban is simple. Don't give YouTube a reason to penalize you. This means being mindful of the content you create and share. Their community guidelines are your roadmap to staying on their good side. Think of them as the rules of the road for your YouTube journey. These guidelines cover a wide range of content, from spam and deceptive practices to hate speech and harassment. They are designed to create a safe and respectful environment for everyone. Familiarize yourself with them and make sure your content always adheres to these rules. This will help you avoid any unnecessary strikes or penalties. It's not just about the content itself, it's also about how you behave on the platform. Positive interactions and respectful communication go a long way. Avoid engaging in spammy tactics like buying subscribers or using bots to inflate your views. These shortcuts might seem tempting but can lead to severe consequences. YouTube is constantly evolving, and so are their guidelines. What was acceptable yesterday might not be today. Make it a habit to stay updated on any changes or clarifications. Regularly check YouTube's official blog or help center for the latest updates. Remember, ignorance is not a defense. You are responsible for knowing and following the rules of the game. Stay informed, stay compliant, and enjoy a smooth YouTube experience. Now that you understand the rules, let's talk about content strategies that will keep you visible and thriving on YouTube. First and foremost, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your viewers. This means understanding your target audience and catering to their interests. What kind of videos are they searching for? What problems are they trying to solve? Answer these questions with your content and you'll be on the right track. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video formats and styles. Try tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or even live streams. The key is to find what resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Remember, YouTube loves fresh, original content. So be consistent with your posting schedule and always strive to bring something new and exciting to the table. So be consistent with your posting schedule and always strive to bring something new and exciting to the table.